Kill. Hey, you do this, Frank. You're a strong guy.
Dave, we're not as strong as you. Crikey, mate. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at how long and slender.
We're using a shovel.
Nice having you, Kyle. Adele, you want to tell me what we're doing?
We're planting different varieties of lettuce.
Let's go. What varieties?
Salvo, romaine, ruby, and new red.
Oh, heck yeah, let's go. All right. Oh, wait.
It's enough.
Have the long one. Up. The sword. Those guys don't appreciate iron, bro.
Hi. Hello. Look, she's taking a video.
What bush is that?
Frank, plant that rose bush.
I lost everything.
Humble. There's the creator of everything who created God.
That is the question.
It's not dead.
Only
It's not dead.
actually-
It's not dead. This is why I brought the straw, right? This is why I didn't bring plants. The worst part is I've planted before. Yeah, we're willing a big hole. Dig me a hole right here.
I have not mastered the art of taking plants out of their thing.
I'm gonna use that. Okay.
Well, you can't create yourself. So, wait, time is the creation of the government?
No.
Not
The
quite.
United States government created time?
Not quite, because they existed in 1776. Before that, I remember the European
But then who
government.
created time?
So basically what happened was, first the Pope had control. Oh, you're really just dancing on me right now.
Plant. Plant.
That's pretty much what I got.
You got that too?
I got rosemary, curled parsley, basil, sage.
This is funny.
That's a documentary.
No, little soldier boy. That was so bad. That was so bad.
This is emerald. Oh, don't worry, we got one.
No.
I didn't come out at all.
I'm not liable.
Yeah.
Everyone's liable. Take it outside first. We are outside.
As long as it's not on school ground.
Right. So take that home because I don't know where else to put it right now. Alright, I have like